Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would so totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you what I did. This is like a French drain, okay? Because above, we get, when it rains really bad here, like it does for the past 2 weeks, and it's actually starting to rain again right now as I speak, right here, because we don't have gutters. The rain literally cascades down like a waterfall, like really bad. So down here, before I put this here, this was literally, if you even step down off of this little concrete pad type thing, okay, you would literally fall and like twist your ankle, break something, okay, break a bone, because the water would come down so much that it literally, I mean, this was literally like a 6-inch drop. I mean, it was that bad. So I built it up and I put rock here, okay, put this all here, and I put some elephant ears here. Well, this literally shrunk in because it rained so much, and I built this 2 years ago, okay? So what I did was I had to go to Home Depot and get everything that I needed to extend it out even more. I had to extend it out about a foot more, but they were all out of the white rock, which is what I prefer, so I got some lava rock. Okay? Because the water was now reaching out even more. So I extended this out. And I'm going to be actually moving these last 3 rocks right here, and we're going to be putting this all along the front of the house, okay, because we need more of a French drain in front of the house because we don't have gutters. And the reason why we don't have gutters is because down here in Florida, a lot of people don't have gutters. Like my neighbor doesn't even have gutters. The reason why we don't have gutters is because these places that install gutters on houses and stuff, they literally rake you over the coals with price. So we don't have gutters. So we're just doing this ourselves, you know. Damn it, it's raining. So we're putting in a French drain. I have a French drain on the other side of the house too. So I hope this looks okay. I really do. I did this myself. And so yeah, we're going to be doing this along the front of the house as well. We're going to be doing it around the entire house, really, but I'm not going to be making it, you know, with the white pavers, you know, like this. I got something else to do it, like along the side of the house and in the back of the house and stuff like that. But the only thing is, you know, with rock, you only get a half of cubic foot in a bag for $4. So what we're doing is, because you can get mulch, 2 cubic feet of mulch for $3. So we're building it up with mulch and then putting rock on top of it to build it up. Because I don't know if you can tell by looking at the ground here, but it's much higher here, and then there's literally like a really bad divot. Like if I were to step there and not realize, like I always tell my lawn guys, please be careful when you're weed whacking and stuff like that around the house, especially up close to the house, because you can literally, if you're not looking and watching where you're going, you could twist your ankle if you step wrong. So we have to build all this up. So that's what we're doing, okay? And also, and I literally bought them out of these pavers here. I only have 4 left. So, because for some reason our Home Depot and even Lowe's, people are buying out the landscaping stuff there. So that's what my project was for yesterday. So this is what I did yesterday. But yeah, this is what we're going to be doing to try and build up a French drain here, because now we have, if anyone's been watching like the Weather Channel or anything, we have another tropical storm that started right up off the coast of Florida, right down by Miami. And they seriously have no clue where this is going. They don't know if it's going to go right up the west coast of Florida or if it's going to go out into the Gulf and hit Louisiana or Texas or whatever the case may be. So they don't know where the heck this is going. And this is something else that we're getting ready to do. This is a greenhouse that I bought off of Amazon. And I don't know if I can find the instructions in here, but because the instructions were in here, but I think I just put them in the bag that it's at the bottom of the box. But the instructions is literally just a diagram with a whole bunch of numbers and letters. And you have to try and, like, God bless you, Ridley, figure it out. And I started to put this together the other day, and all of a sudden it just, like a torrential downpour just started happening. And I'm like, no. So, yeah, this is, God's sakes, this is just something else that I'm going to be doing. But it's starting to rain once again, so here we go. So I'm probably going to be sitting my butt out in the garage and putting this together. But the only thing is, if I put it together in the garage, how am I going to get it out to the backyard? That's the only thing. Because I did buy anchors where, here's the anchors that I got. And these are made out of rebar. Hang on. So these are the anchors that I got for the greenhouse, and they're made out of rebar. So because the anchors that came with the greenhouse, they're more flimsy than the like anchors or tent stakes that you would get with, you know, those inflatable Christmas ornaments that you put on your lawn. Yeah, they're worse than those. So, and I knew that would happen, so I got these. But these, honestly, I think would be great to even have for your preps anyway. So I'll leave the link in the description box below for these and for the greenhouse if you're looking to get a greenhouse, because I think this greenhouse was only $63, and I think this is 6 feet by 6 feet. So I'll leave the link in the description box below for this as well. So, you know, if you're looking for a greenhouse that's, you know, economical, you know, I'll leave that for you as well. Okay, now I'm out in my garage. First you're outside, then you're in my house, and now you're out in the garage with me. I'll take you everywhere. So anyway, this is something else that we added to our preps. This is for our pets. Because I really didn't want to, and this is going to sound very strange. I didn't want to waste money, okay, on those puppy pads to lay down. I know they're disposable, and I know they're, you know, convenient for some people to have puppy pads for, you know, in case of an emergency, especially for hurricane season and whatnot, okay? But for us, I didn't want to have puppy pads, especially for hurricane season, because, you know, our rainy season is so extensive. And with this hurricane season, for some reason, we're getting hit, you know, left and right, not with hurricanes per se, but with rainstorms. I mean, it's literally been raining here in the Tampa Bay area every single day for almost 3 weeks. I haven't had to water my garden for 3 weeks. So what Sean and I decided to do was to get these. These came off of Amazon. And you can use these either for your pets, for your plants, for your shoes, okay? And, you know, you use these for your animals. These, you know, so they can go to the bathroom. If you're having a storm, leave these out in the garage. Leave them in the house so they have somewhere to go, so you don't have to worry about them going outside and getting soaking wet, tracking in mud, okay? Or leave them out by your front door so you can wipe your shoes off. Or, like if it shows you here, it's perfect for a wide variety of uses like pet bowls, flower pots, boots, shoes, indoor and outdoor use. So I thought this was a really great addition for our preps, for our pets though. I'm not going to use it for shoes or for plants or anything like that. We're going to be using it for Ridley and Penelope and Jouette so they have a place to go to the bathroom during a really bad storm. So, you know, this is just something else that we added to our preps, and I'll leave the link in the description box below because these were actually a really good price and I got 2 of them. So, and you know, they're easily washable, which is something that I really like about them anyway. So these are the things that we added to our preps this month. So if you've added anything to your preps, let me know in the comments section below. Okay. I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you and have a great day. Stay safe. Bye.